Hello and welcome to 5 Minute English Talk. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Stacy. Thanks for joining us for another quick and fun English practice session.
5 minutes. That's all you need to make your English sharper and your confidence stronger. A short, daily practice builds rhythm, pronunciation, and fluency. And remember, language learning isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every day you show up, you improve a little more.
Now that Monday's behind us, let's move to Tuesday. That quiet middle ground day that often feels like the real start of the week. Let's explore a few natural English expressions that people use when talking about Tuesday and the feeling it brings.
When people say it's only Tuesday, they usually mean the week feels long or slow. Examples: I'm already tired, and it's only Tuesday. Wait, it's only Tuesday? Feels like Friday. It's a light, funny way to show you're feeling the midweek stretch.
Another one is Terrific Tuesday. It's used in a cheerful, positive way to turn an ordinary day into something good. Examples: Good morning, everyone. Have a terrific Tuesday. It's a terrific Tuesday. Stay positive. You'll often see this phrase in morning greetings or motivational posts.
Then there's Two for Tuesday. This one's catchy. It's used when something comes in pairs or there's a double offer. Examples: Our cafe has a 2 for Tuesday deal. Buy one, get one free. Let's do 2 workouts for Tuesday. It plays on the word two and the sound of Tuesday. Fun and memorable.
And finally, Taco Tuesday. A classic phrase, especially popular in the US. It means Tuesday is for tacos, a fun weekly tradition in restaurants or homes. Examples: It's Taco Tuesday. Let's grab dinner together. I never miss Taco Tuesday. It's a playful way to bring joy to the middle of the week.
Let's practice these together. Listen and repeat after me, nice and clear. Pause slightly between each. It's only Tuesday. Have a terrific Tuesday. 2 for Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Good. Practice saying them with real energy. Make your voice sound alive, like you're talking to a friend.
Here's a fun fact. Tuesday is actually one of the most productive days of the week. Research shows people get more done on Tuesday than on any other day. So if Monday is about warming up,
Tuesday is when things really start rolling.
that's why you'll often hear people say, Tuesday is for getting things done.
Let's see how natural conversation sounds.
I can't believe it's only Tuesday.
Yeah, but hey, at least it's Taco Tuesday.
True, that's something to look forward to.
Exactly. Let's make it a terrific Tuesday then.
See how natural that sounds? These short, playful phrases make everyday conversation feel more real and friendly.
Now here's your 5 minute challenge. Use one of these Tuesday expressions when you greet someone. Try saying, Happy Taco Tuesday, or Have a terrific Tuesday. It'll make you sound more natural and positive in English.
Every day is a new chance to learn, laugh, and grow. So don't just survive Tuesday. Enjoy it, use it, and speak it with confidence.
Thanks for listening to 5 Minute English Talk. If you like this episode, please comment, give us a review, and rate our show.
Your feedback helps more learners discover us. Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, your English gets better, 5 minutes at a time.